Hey guys, Kirk here with Kirk's Motorrad Shop, Crystal Lake, Illinois. And I wanted to bring you these right here. Look at this. These are some NePros tools. I just got these in the mail. NTD306 is the set. Guys, I know that you guys are tool junkies. Maybe not to the level that I am. Maybe you're actually beyond the level that I am. But I am a tool junkie. I love quality tools. You know, after that Craftsman rant that I did some years ago, I started getting a lot of snap-on tools. I got some vessels, you know, screwdrivers. These here, the vessel, these are fantastic. They're on my Amazon page. These are not yet. But anyways, look at these tools. Look at those. All maple wood handles. All the straight blade ones are in this beautiful forest green color. These are in a cherry red, the Phillips head. Just like the vessel screwdrivers, these are Japanese industrial standard. And the finish on these things is absolutely insane. I refinish furniture as one of my other jobs, one of my other businesses. I've been doing it for years, and the finish on these is I couldn't do it any better. This is a perfect finish. These things are all hand polished. They're literally all hand built. Everything about these things is precision and perfection. The shape of these handles, I don't know if you know anything about NePros tools or NePros. Not really even sure how to. I think it's NePros. Anyways, they call themselves the Tactile Tool Company. And for good reason. When I first grabbed onto these, I'm like, oh my gosh, no wonder they cost what they do. This set, it's not cheap. Six screwdrivers, you're paying snap-on pricing or better. $190 is what they are currently on their website. And but I'll tell you what, worth every penny in my opinion. The quality of these things, of course, they're lifetime guarantee. All that's a given. I don't know about the finish. You know, I do think that if, you know, you get brake fluid or something on here, maybe some spray chemicals, it might attack this lacquer finish that's on here. It probably would. You know, you might be better off using a different screwdriver for things that are where you could incur damage on them. But it's got the striking end on them. The tips are specially hardened, and guys, I just can't get over it. You know, Japanese industrial standard here. They fit perfectly. There's no wiggle whatsoever. No chance of camming out the screws. What a beautiful thing! God, I love quality tools, and this is top tier quality. This is top of the game, and I just threw it on the floor. I'll grab a different one. There we go. This is top of the game quality, top tier. I just can't speak highly enough. If you guys stop at my shop sometime, you know, ask me to check these tools out, and you will agree with me that these feel like nothing you've ever felt before. The balance on these things is incredible. I didn't even know that there was a thing like a balanced screwdriver. It makes this screwdriver, which is really good, feel like a cheap piece of garbage in comparison to this. What a difference. So guys, do check out some of these tools. They really are just amazing. And the colors. I like that they, you know, the Phillips heads are the red, the greens are the straight blade, flat blade. What a stunning piece of kit this is. Beautiful. So if you guys are wondering what's in the kit, you get the 3 Phillips head Japanese industrial standard. You got a number 1, 2, and 3, and you also have 3 sizes of the straight blade. So you've got a large, medium, and a smaller straight blade. Boy, am I glad I got these. I will be featuring some more NePros tools. They've got some ratchets, and they've got a lot of other tools that you'll be seeing them on the channel here. I'll be buying more of these tools. I imagine they'll probably send me something else to check out, but it doesn't matter. They got enough tools that I love quality. So guys, check them out. Go check them out yourself. They're really great, and give them away as a gift, or get a gift for yourself. You know, us men, we got to buy our own gifts sometimes. You know this. Go buy it. Go buy it for yourself. Enjoy some quality. Life is too short to use garbage tools.